Deciding on an Italian restaurant can be tough, depending on what you're looking for. Each region of Italy has its own culinary specialties, including Sicilian, Roman, Tuscan, or Venetian dishes. Forget bread and butter in an Italian restaurant. Bread is often served with a pool of olive oil, possibly balsamic vinegar for dipping. Plan to have some bread for later to help soak up leftover sauce. This technique even has its own name in Italian, scarpetta, meaning the little shoe because of the shape you make when scooping with a traditional Italian meal. You can expect to order several courses, usually 5 or more. To begin, consider ordering a light, palate-priming antipasti. Crostini dishes such as the caponata or white bean puree are popular options. Another common Italian starter is a caprese. This version is made with burrata, a fresh cheese made in-house with mozzarella and cream. Italians are known for making excellent salads or insalate. A shaved fennel salad is a great, refreshing choice. And while insalate are usually meant to go with your secondo dish, it does make a great starter. Once you're finished with these lighter dishes, it's time to move on to the first course. The first course, or primo course, is typically pasta. Many great Italian restaurants make their own pastas from scratch. Here are some great primi suggestions. Pomodoro, perhaps the most classic pasta choice, a savory tomato sauce seasoned with garlic, basil and parmesan, which can be served with penne, linguine, or in this case, cavatelli. Carbonara, a Roman classic. Traditional carbonara is a creamy parmesan and egg sauce made with salt-cured pancetta over long noodles like fettuccine, spaghetti or bucatini. Or this tagliatelle sepia nera, strands of black linguine which are darkened using squid ink, tossed with a variety of seafood and served with a light tomato sauce. Avoid the parmesan on this one. Italians frown on using any cheese with seafood dishes. Now on to the secondi. The secondo is typically a hearty protein like tagliata toscana, a generous steak dish that's popular in Florence. Sharing food is a common practice in Italian dining, so have some fun going family style. And don't forget to save room for dolce. Italy is famous for its desserts, so plan to finish your meal with a popular Italian dessert like tiramisu. This espresso-flavored dish, which layers coffee-soaked ladyfingers with cocoa and mascarpone cream, is the perfect way to end your meal. And if you're looking for the full experience, finish up with an Italian espresso or macchiato, which helps balance the sweet, rich desserts and kickstart digestion. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Make the background music inspiring.